In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use a button column in Monday.com. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want this feature to live. Make sure you're on the correct board before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple workflows. The button column is useful when you want to trigger an action directly from a specific item, which can help speed up repetitive tasks and make your board more interactive. Once your board is open, check whether you already have a button column. If you don't see one, go ahead and add it. This is the column that will let you create a clickable button for each item in the board. Adding the right column type is important here because not every column can trigger actions in the same way. After that, click into the button column settings. This is where you'll customize how the button behaves. Take a moment here to review the available options because this setup determines what users will see and what happens when the button is pressed. Next, name the button based on the action you want it to perform. Keep the label short, clear, and specific. For example, the name should instantly tell someone what clicking it will do. Clear button names are especially helpful if multiple people use the same board, since they reduce confusion and make the workflow easier to follow. If your process requires it, connect the button to an automation. This allows the button to do more than just sit there visually. It can trigger a defined action within your board or across your workflow. When setting this up, make sure the automation matches your intended result. A small mismatch in the setup can lead to the wrong action firing, so it's worth double checking before moving on. Once everything is configured, click the button on an item to trigger the action. It's a good idea to test this on a sample item first, especially if the action affects status changes, notifications, or connected processes. That way, you can confirm everything behaves as expected before using it more broadly. Finally, check that the automation or action works correctly. Look for the expected result on the item or anywhere else the process should update. If something doesn't happen, revisit the button settings and automation connection to confirm everything is linked properly. And that's it. Once your button column is set up correctly, it can save time, simplify repetitive actions, and make your Monday.com board much easier to use.